Today we are to discuss another five-member heterocyclic compounds or heterocyclic rings, that is pyrazoles. Already we have to study with this pyrols, furans, thiophene. From this side, imidazoles, oxazoles, and thiazoles. All these five members with single heteroatoms, these three ones, and these are the more than one heteroatoms. Along with, apart from this, pyrrole, furon, thiophene, and imidazole, oxazole, thiazoles. This is one of the another ring that is five members where one and two positions these nitrogens are present. This five-member ring that is pyrazoles we have to discuss today with their properties, some synthesis, some chemical reactions, and medicinal uses of pyrazoles. Now we have to move, or now we have to discuss with the properties of pyrazole. First property, pyrazole is a aromatic characteristics. Firstly, we have to discuss the structure of pyrazoles, where in the structure of pyrazoles, here two nitrogens are present, this one and hydrogen containing this ones. The numbering starting where the hydrogen is present. 1, 2, 3, 4, and 5. Both the nitrogens having similar like pyrols. One is where the hydrogen is present, that structure is resemble, that nitrogen is resemble like pyrrole structures. Pyrrole like nitrogen is present in the pyrazoles where hydrogen is attached, or heteroatoms having hydrogen. That nitrogen is pyrrole like nitrogens, whereas another apart from nitrogens, second nitrogen is pyridine-like moiety. If you see, observe, if you see these structures, pyridines as well as pyrroles. Why it is called as pyrroles? Because pyrrole having one hydrogen atoms, this nitrogen showing the pyrrole-like nitrogens, whereas in pyridines, they are fused with double bond and single bonds. Means this, whatever the second atoms, second heteroatoms, that is nitrogens, which is present on second number, they showing the characteristic like pyridine. And this is the structure of orbital pictures of pyrazoles. Here, the one number nitrogens goes to the where hydrogen is present on pyrazoles. This is the second number, third number, four number, and five members. So pyrazole is a five-member heterocyclic rings having planar sp2 hybridized state. All the atoms are sp2 hybridized state. All the orbital picture of this pyrazole is planar in natures, and the sharing of non-bonding electrons in pyrazole are three from carbon atoms. Which one three? This one, and this ones. There's three non-bonding electrons from carbons. This one from nitrogens. One from nitrogens, where pyridine-like nitrogen present in the pyrazole rings, whereas these two are the unshared electrons. Total six electrons, non-bonding electrons present in the structures. Due to this non-bonding electrons, the pyrazoles having cyclic in natures, alternate single double bonds, and 4n plus 2 pi electron systems, that is passing Huckel's rules. On that basis, the pyrazoles is aromatic in natures. The pyrazole contains 3 carbon atom and 2 nitrogen atoms, and all are sp2 hybridized atoms having planar in natures, whereas the overlapping for the formation of sigma bond is unhybridized p orbit, that is perpendicular to the plane of the plane plane of the links, they form the sigma bonds, whereas pi bonds forming by overlapping of p orbitals to the sidewise overlappings, and to make the pi bonds. Whereas in this pyrazoles, there are six non-bonding electrons, three from carbons, one from nitrogens, and two from hydrogen containing nitrogen, pyrrole like nitrogens. This total 6 pi electrons are involved in the delocalizations or non-bonding electrons. Due to this, these are the characteristics for the particular pyrazole ring is aromatic in nature. This is one of the properties. Now, due to the hydrogen present on nitrogens, they are having tautomerisms, tautomeric effects, like immediate shifting of hydrogens. Whatever the hydrogen present on first carbon atom, they immediately shifted towards the adjacent carbon atoms. If you see in these pictures, here if you consider these pictures, the number is starting from this nitrogen 1, 2, third position methyl substitutions and fourth, fifth. Due to the rapid migration of the these hydrogen atoms present on first nitrogen atom, first positions, they migrate towards the second nitrogen atom present on the rings, immediately migration. So the numbering was change. This is the first nitrogen atoms, first positions, second, third, and fourth. Due to the tautomeric effect, by the migration of hydrogen atoms, they give the substitution either 3 or 5. In this way, the writing of this type of substitution present of pyrazoles, you have to write down 3 in bracket 5 dash methyl pyrazoles, means it indicate that both the structures are tautomer to each other due to the delocalization of this type of hydrogens. And third property is hydrogen bondings. They partially bind the nitrogen containing hydrogen bind with the second nitrogen where unshared electron present on it. They partially binds. And due to the hydrogen bondings within two molecules, they form the cyclic dimers in between two molecules of aerosols. Here you have to see the pictures. Here this hydrogen bind to the second number, second position nitrogen atoms, whereas this rings hydrogen they bind with the second position nitrogen and to form the cyclic dimer formation with the help of hydrogen bonding. These are the some characteristics, some properties of pyrrole. First is aromatic property, second is tautomeric properties because a rapid migration of hydrogen from one nitrogen to other nitrogens present in the pyrazole rings. And third one is due to the hydrogen bondings, they form the cyclic dimers when two molecules of pyrazoles are involved in hydrogen bondings and to form the cyclic dimers in pyrazole rings. Now we have to move with the preparation of pyrazoles or synthesis. How will you prepare particular pyrazoles? First method from pyrimidines. This is structure of pyrimidines. 1 and 3rd positions there is a nitrogen present. This is 6-member, more than one heterocyclic atom present in the ring system. Example, pyrimidines. Pyrimidine react with the aqueous hot hydrazine solutions to give the pyrazoles. Here there is a ring reductions from 6-member to 5-member ring formations and to form the pyrazoles. If you see with this example mechanism of these reactions from pyrimidines, pyrimidines react with the nucleophilic acid addition of these hydrazines, where additions at fourth positions, addition of hydrazine hydrate, then there is a possibility of the mechanism is ring opening, breaking of these bonds between nitrogen and carbon. Third and fourth positions bond was break and migration of the bonding electron towards the adjacent carbon atoms and to make the delocalization of the pi electrons and to make this type of structures, ring opening of 6-member pyrimids, followed by ring closures. Ring closures means these nitrogens attach to the adjacent carbon where nitrogen is present. And to make the this type of cyclides pyrazole like moiety and liberation of amidines and formation of pyrazoles. In this way, you have to prepare the pyrazoles from pyrimidines. If you see these chemical preparation reactions for pyrazoles, this type of reactions you have to discuss over in pyrimidine chemical reactions. Second is norpyrazole synthesis. Name itself indicated there is a formation of pyrazole with the help of NOR synthesis. Here, the 1,3-carbonyl compounds is the starting compounds. They react with the hydrazides in presence of acid, act as a catalyst to form the substituted pyrazoles. In this way, you have to prepare the pyrazole. But the starting material in this in this norpyrazole synthesis is a 1,3-dicarbonyl compound. They react with the hydrogen in presence of acid. This acid act as a catalyst for the cyclization of the rings from 1,3-dicarbonyl compound. If you observe these mechanisms, this is structure of 1,3 dicarbonyl compounds undergo protonations. This addition of hydrogens to the one of the carbonyl compounds of 1,3-dicarbonyl compounds. There is addition of hydrogen here, addition of protons followed by reactions with hydrogen hydrates. The addition of hydrogen hydrate where the protonated oxygen is present and to substitute the hydrogen part to the carbons where the protons were substituted, followed by formation of intermediate imines by liberation of water molecules. Then cyclization was carried out, then followed by loss of one water molecules and to form the cyclized pyrazole as a final substituted moiety from 1,3-dicarbonyl compounds react with the hydroxides. One of the examples of this NOR synthesis, for example, 1-phenyl butanes 1,3-diols is the starting materials. Why it is given? Because this one is unsymmetric ones. Here one of the phenyl group is present, here methyl group is present. If unsymmetrical dicarbonyl compound you have to taken as a starting material, it will form the isomeric mixtures. If symmetrical one gives, there is formation of only one products. So for the identification purpose, you have to take the unsymmetrical 1,3-dicarbonyl compounds. Here examples, whereas hydrogen, instead of simple hydrogens, you have to give the substituted hydrogens. That is methyl hydrogens. They react with 1-phenyl butanes 1,3-diols. There is formation of isomeric mixtures. That is 1,5 positions. This methyl from these positions. And this C6H5 and these methyls are from 1,3-dicarbonyl compounds. So this part up to this part from these sides, there is a double bonds are replaced with the amides and formation of isomeric mixtures. That is 1,5-dimethyl, 3-phenyl pyrazoles or and 1,3-dimethyl, 5-phenyl pyrazole. Due to the tautomeric effect, it will form the isomeric mixtures. Another methods from nitrile imines. Here there is a formation of this type of pyrazoles. There is a due to formation, this type of reaction is called as dipolar cycloaddition reactions between alkynes. Here alkynes and nitrile imines. They undergo cycloadditions and to form the substituted product, cycloaddied product, that is pyrazoles. Here breaking of two triple bonds and formation of two sigma bonds and to form the cyclized product from nitrile imines. it will form the pyrazoles. Another methods for the preparation of pyrazoles from diazo compounds. Diazo compounds means this type of moiety present in the structures. That moiety is called as diazo moiety. This diazo compounds undergo additions, simple additions in presence of acetylenic derivative to give the mixture of the pyrazole containing substituted products. Here one of the example, the acetylenic derivative is react with the diazo compounds to form the mixture of 3,5-dicarboymethoxy 4-phenyl pyrazoles and 4,5-dicarboxymethoxy 3-phenyl pyrazoles. Due to the tautomeric effect, this type of isomeric mixture was formed. These are the some preparation reactions of pyrazoles. First is from pyrimidines, second is norpyrazole synthesis, 1,3-dicarbonyl compounds, third is nitrilamines, and fourth is diazo compounds. From diazo compounds, you have to prepare the substituted pyrazoles. Now we have to move with the chemical reactions of pyrazoles. First chemical reaction is addition of electrophilic towards the nitrogen. Which nitrogen? Second position nitrogens. Pyridine-like nature of particular nitrogens, they involved in the electrophilic addition reactions. Here first reaction is protonations because due to the unshared electron present on nitrogens, they act as a base. They accept the protons. Acceptance of protons towards the second numbers nitrogens and to form the pyrazolium cations. Due to the delocalization of electron, the charges are moving from one position to from second to 1 seconds, like that. Another electrophilic addition to the nitrogen, that is N-alkylation. Why called N-alkylations? N means nitrogens. There is alkyl substitutions or addition of alkyl on nitrogens. Here nitrogen act as a base, unshared electrons which donates its electron towards the substitutions by electrophilic additions and to form the salt. Here one of the example, pyrazoles react with the methyl iodide. There is formation of N-dimethyl pyrazolium salt formations. Here, once the salt formations, the structure is look like methyl, 2-methyl pyrazolium cations was the intermediate, followed by with the help of base remove the protons which is present on first positions. This type of structures. Again, once the formation of this methyl substituted, they again react with the methyl iodide and to make the dimethyl N dimethyl pyrazolium salt. NN और क्यू द नंबर 1 2 भी बोल सकते हैं. N1 N2 dimethyl pyrazolium salt was formed. That type of reaction is called as an alkylation, electrophilic addition to the nitrogens. Then second reaction is electrophilic substitution reactions, where at carbon atoms. Which positions carbon are present? Third positions, fourth positions, fifth positions. These are the three positions, 3, 4, 5, the carbon atoms are present. And this carbon generally attacked by the electrophilic substitution. So there are three positions. Out of the three positions, this C4 position is a more favorable position to the electrophilic substitutions. If you consider electrophile substituted on third positions, there is formation of 3 or 5 electrophile substituted as the intermediate pyrrolium salt or azomethium nitrogens. If the 5 positions are substituted, then there is a 5 as well as 3 substituted electrophile substituted positions and formation of positive charge azomethium nitrogen. These are the unfavorable for electrophilic substitutions because the adjacent carbon atoms, if you consider here C3 as well as C5, the adjacent carbon atoms of from adjacent C3 and C5, there is a positive charge nitrogen atoms. Positive charge azomethium nitrogen is an intermediate, and this intermediate is highly unstable ones. Whereas we have to go with the electrophilic substitutions at fourth position, like here. At fourth positions, there is a electrophilic substitution reactions. There is a chances of charge migrations, and it will give the more resonance structures with C4 position. That's why the electrophilic substitution reactions was occurred at fourth positions on pyrazole, which is favorable to the electrophilic substitution rather than the 3 and 4s. In 3 and 4s, the nitrogens having positive charge, azomethane nitrogen as an intermediate formation. This azomethane is a least stable, less resonance structure as compared to the C4 substituted electrophiles. That's why the fourth position is the favorable positions for pyrazole substitutions. Here one of the example, that is nitration reactions, nitration of pyrazoles in presence of nitric acids and sulfuric acid. This collectively called as nitric mixtures. There is a substitution of nitro groups at four positions and to form the 4 nitro pyrazoles as the final products. Most favorable position is 4 positions. Now another reactions, that is oxidations. For examples, oxidizing agent, potassium permanganate. This substituted pyrazoles undergo oxidations. There is a oxidized product, that is carboxylic acid substitutions at where the alkali is substituted. There is a oxidized products, addition of oxygen into the methyl groups and to form the COH substituted product. Another reaction is reduction reactions. For example, in presence of catalytic reduction, palladium is used for the reduction purpose. Reduction means addition of hydrogen atoms. There is addition of hydrogen atoms towards the double bonds and formation of 1-phenyl 4,5-dihydropyrazole is the first product. Again, this 1-phenyl 4,5-dihydropyrazoles undergo reduction in presence of palladiums, addition of this hydrogen towards the double bonds, remaining double bonds where nitrogen is directly substituted and to form the tetrahydropyrazoles are called as pyrrolidines. Tetrahydropyrazoles are called as pyrazolidine. Here substitution is occurred. That's why it is called as 1-phenyl pyrazolidines is the final reduced product of pyrazoles. And last reactions of pyrazole is ring opening. Ring opening means whatever the 5 members are open in the cyclic, instead of cycle, a cyclic formations. Here the N-substituted pyrazoles is reactive with the strong base. Here sodamides are used, NaNO2 is called as sodamides. They undergo reacted and to form the ring openings and to form the final product, that is acylno derivatives, nitrile derivatives with this, with the help of this sodamides These unsubstituted pyrazoles undergo react and to form the ring opened acyclic compound, that is as acrylonitriles substitution. There is a breaking of this bond N bond between in pyrazoles and followed by protonations and to form the acrylonitrile is a substituted product. And lastly, the medicinal use of pyrazoles is like that. There are many numbers of drugs molecule having the pyrazoles. Generally, they are used in the dyes. The pyrazoles having dyes. For example, antipyrine is the drugs having the pyrazole moiety. This is the pyrazole moiety. The structure of antipyrine. This antipyrine act as a antipyretics and analgesics ones. Phenylbutasons, the structures having pyrazoles 1 2 diazoles, and the IPC name for pyrazole is 1 2 diazoles. The examples is phenylbutazones act as a anti-inflammatory drugs, whereas tetraazine act as a yellow dye for food substance. These are the some examples which is used for the medicinal purpose, that is antipyrine and phenylbutazones. These are some references which are used for the preparation of today's heterocyclic ring, that is pyrazoles. So this is the last 5 member heterocyclic rings. So next